video is based on these products and also for creams that will lighten your skin. If that's actually what you are looking for, stay tuned and watch this video to the end, so I share my reviews with you guys. If you actually like the cream, you would like to go with it or go for the cream. Hello beautiful people, it's me, your girl Alexia, aka Proud Mommy. You are welcome to my YouTube channel and you are welcome to my Facebook page. So for today's video, I will be talking about these products. You might have seen it anywhere online, but I'm going to share my reviews with you guys. If this is your first time of watching my video, thank you very much. If you have already subscribed to my channel and you follow me on my Facebook page, big kiss to you, I really appreciate. And if you have not yet subscribed, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page, guys. So don't forget to hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video like this, you will be the first person to watch it, guys. Okay guys, so let's dive into the video. I actually come across this product on my Facebook, so I click on the link of the cream and it took me to their Facebook page. Their Facebook page, there were a lot of reviews about this product. Okay, so a lot of people giving their reviews on this cream, and I was so convinced, like, okay, let me give this cream a try. So I was like, okay, let me buy the cream and see if this cream is gonna work for me according to the reviews I read on their Facebook page. So I click on their Facebook page, the link they left there. So it took me to their website where I can buy this cream. So on their website, I was actually lucky, okay, because this cream, they have 20% discount. Okay, guys. So if you are buying this cream right now, you're gonna be a very lucky one to get this cream cheaper, because right now, as I'm doing this video this month of September, they are still on their discount code. They have 20% discount on this cream. This cream, their normal amount of this cream is 169 euro. Okay, so and they have 20% discount, so I bought this cream for 129 euro 60 cents. Okay, so I bought the full set. Okay, if you are buying the full set, it's 129 euro 60 cents, because they are on discount now. But if the discount is gone, so you're gonna buy this cream, the full set, for 169 euro with some change. This is the serum, purifying lotion, glycerin, body milk. This is another body milk. This one is free. When you are buying the full set, they're gonna give you this for free. Okay, this is a face balm, and this is a face gel, and this one is a face cream. If you are buying on their website, it's gonna come like this. Okay, this is the body milk, and this is how it looks inside. It's very thick. This cream has its own smell. So they have different sets. Okay, so this set is the carrot set. I divided this cream into two parts, so I also divided this serum into two parts, and also I took a little bit of glycerin and added it to the cream and the serum I divided, and mixed it very well, and I use that on my skin every day, morning and night. The ingredients used in making this cream: vegetable extra, carrot extra, rich in vitamin A, specially developed for dark black skin. It's going to lighten all dark areas in your body. Anywhere you have dark spot or sun damages, this cream is going to help you to brighten it up. That's why it's toning care treatment. Other skills I use applying this cream after taking my shower, and I just dry my skin off with the towel. So I always apply glycerin like this. I take a little of the glycerin like this, okay, like this, and I apply it on my skin before applying the cream I mixed. Okay, so this is how I was using this product. it makes your skin looks like a baby skin. You know how baby skin are when you touch it, so cool, so soft. So this is how the glycerin does in your body. This is the purifying lotion. So I pour the purifying lotion in a cotton pad. So I use it to clean my face every other day. In the morning after taking my shower, and at night before going to bed after taking my shower, I always clean my face with this purifying lotion with a cotton pad. So it's going to remove dead skin from your face. It's going to purify your face, so your face will be ready to receive the cream, the face cream. Smell of this lotion is natural smell, and it will actually clean dead skin from your face and brighten up your face, and also lighten the dark areas in your face. And also you have to use it 2 times daily, like morning and evening, every other day. Okay, this is the face balm, and this is how it looks. So for this one is for the face, so you apply it after and cleaning your face with the purifying lotion, and the next thing to do is to apply this on your face. So this bond is going to protect your face from sun damages. It's going to protect your face from different kinds of things, and it's going to lighten up your face gradually, and it's going to make your face look younger and beautiful. So each product have their own smell. One is the face cream, the big one, and the smaller one is the gel. So what I do is, this is how the face cream looks. Okay, how it looks, the face cream. This is how the gel looks. Okay, so this face gel and the face cream, what I do, how I was using mine, I actually mixed the two together. I took a little bit of the face cream and I took a little bit of the face gel. I mixed them on my pan very well, and I applied the two together. It's more easy than taking the cream separately, taking the gel separately, and do it like it's it's a long process. Okay, so what I actually do is to take the two at a time like this. Just take them and apply the both cream on my face. I did that for morning. I did it every other day, morning and evening before going to bed. I always apply the face cream and the face gel. Okay, so that's all about. And this face cream is to brighten up your face, to clean every dark patches you have on your face, to clean a sunburn from your face, and to make your face look younger and beautiful and make your face glow. Okay, so that's what it does. After 8 weeks of use, like 2 months, I noticed different tone on my skin, a little bit brighter than my normal skin tone. It really does what they say the cream will do. Yes, it will give you the color according to what it was made with. Carrot is going to lighten up your skin too. This cream is not going to bleach your skin. This cream is not going to give you like 2 shades lighter than your normal skin type. No, this cream is just to maintain your complexion. Like, it's going to add a little bit, just small thing like this. This is not a bleaching cream. This is not a cream that is going to brighten your complexion, like over bright. No, it's just going to maintain your skin. Everywhere you have dark patches on your body, everywhere you have dark area in your body, this cream is going to lighten it up gradually, but it's not going to blend you. Like, you will not have, if you are a black person, you will not have chocolate skin, or if you are a chocolate person, you will not be a fair girl. No, it's not going to do that. It's just going to maintain your skin. So if this is actually what you are looking for in this cream, you can go for this cream. But if you are actually looking for a cream that is going to give you 2 shades lighter than your normal skin, no, this cream is not going to do that for you. No. The cream did a great work on my skin. Like, my skin was so nice. My black was still intact. It did not change the color of my dark skin. I was still having the same black skin I have. This cream is going to maintain your complexion. If you have a black skin, or fair skin or any skin type you have, it's just going to maintain your complexion. The only problem I have with this brand is I don't like the smell of this cream. They have their smell on their own. Okay, glycerin, I just love the glycerin. Okay, this what I don't like about this brand is the face cream. No, it didn't do what they actually said it will. I'm not happy with this face cream. No on this. After 2 weeks of applying this cream, face was darker than my body. I don't really know why. Maybe the cream is not good for my face because I have oily skin on my face. So for this brand, I think if you have oily skin on your face, I think this face cream is not going to do nothing on your face. Really angry about this cream. Like, I was not happy buying this face cream. I stopped using this cream because I did not see the result I was looking for. Instead, I used something else on my face. So guys, so if you have oily skin on your face, I will advise you not to buy this cream. If you are buying the product, this face cream is no. Go for the cream, the glycerin, and the serum. And also they have exfoliating soap. The face cream is no way guys. If not, you're gonna regret you buying the face cream. So it will be better for you not to buy the full set. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you on my next video, guys.